Yeah, so we have levels of organization, and this is going to be a common theme throughout all of our courses, starting in midterm, our anatomy and physiology courses, as well as our pathophysiology courses. And so I think all of us have experienced students saying, well, why can't we just jump straight to the lungs? Why can't we just jump straight to the heart? And that's not because we don't want to have fun talking about the heart and the lungs, but we need to start at the very foundational base level, right? You need to understand cells and tissues before you can understand how an entire organ works, how all of those organ systems work together to keep an organism alive, how we keep the human body alive. So we start off with levels of organization, and we start off with organelles. So very, very, very small parts of parts, essentially. We then move into full cells. All of those cells are going to have different functions and different properties and a different job that they're completing in the human body. And then we move into tissues. So all of these tissues collectively come together to form organs, and then these organs come together to form organ systems. So when we talk about
an organism.
An organism. Yeah. Funny how that came together, right?
Yes, it's a bunch of organs that all believe the same thing, right. that we can actually live.
Exactly. Yes. That their goal is to keep us alive, right? And so when we talk about the respiratory system or the cardiovascular system or things like that, we're referring to structures that have the same function, the same overarching goal, which then leads us into organisms, a full human being, and that gets us into ecosystems and the biosphere and everything larger than just one individual person. But we always talk about you have to start small so that you can understand things later down the line.